How's it? We are just now sitting in the friend's car, going for dinner. Stuck in the traffic light.
他身体行，你没看，反正就现他的头发染，就是看起来挺精致啊，特别精致。
Another BYD.
反正岁数大
啊，都那个仅仅是血液有点小问题。
对，他没有糖尿病。
我爸吃一天吃老了呀。
Okay, so this is how you order your food in this restaurant. Lots of seafood.
It's still alive, look.
你能看到食物有没有啥想吃，然后有菜单
来个嘎巴虾吗？
谢谢。Wow, these are all alive. It's so cool.
相机行了。
谢谢。
多少钱？
这个
这一套。
相机是5000镑，应该是5万人民币，但是这个就
这么贵的，
对。Look, this is can't remember what it's called. 对，做视频。
我寻思你是专业摄影。
是专业摄影，在做视频。We're not ordering anything that's alive, so we order meat and stuff. But yeah, pretty cool restaurant. The actual decoration of the restaurant is pretty awesome. I love the decoration. The bar area looks cool. I'm not sure why the cup can never stand straight. That's pretty cool design. The prawn is dead, but it's raw. So I'm gonna chicken out.
把它放回去了。
And put that back.
吃啊，吃给大伙儿看。你可以。
奶香小馒头。
Beef stomach. Absolutely delicious. I love it. Oh my god.
哪个好吃？你说哪个？
Oh, the sauce is so good. Mala tang. So basically, it's lots of vegetables, meat, and all sort of different tofu products.
So that's the spicy one.
Barbecues.
This is the not spicy one.
烫一点嘛。啊，别烫到嘴这个签子啊，签子别碰到嘴。
Barbecue lambs.
好不好吃？
So good. So good. Squid.
我在国内
Squid's tentacle.
有道理啊。
These skewers are amazing.
我感觉我吃的比你们都香。
This is taste of
回来吃个东西，还
childhood.
没吃 饱啥的，没吃尽兴。
What are these cartilage? Is it cartilage?
再来2把大蒜大手串，然后还是一半辣的，一半不辣的。
Barbecue.
多辣的，因为他肯定吃不完。
都辣的，都辣的，都辣的。
这样就是2把大蒜，2把手串。
Again, taste of childhood. So good. ，lamb's ribs.
小宝是吧？行。
其实你应该给店这么来，它也放一边儿，要不是不了。
Oh yeah. Man, ridiculously good.
你离它近啊，我把它热一下呀。
This is a teacup. I absolutely love the design, but check out the tea inside. Ooh, so cool.
慢点儿哥，
Yeah.
拜
Bye bye.
这边哥慢点啊，
Bye bye.
谢谢朋友，拜拜。慢一点。
Okay, so the meal's done. Grand total £360, I think. 360 yuan, so just under £40. Not bad, not bad at all. Think
We're going to head to the shopping centre now.
time for a shopping mall.
I want a town hall.
Okay, guys, meal is done. We're gonna walk back to the hotel and passing a little shopping street. Well, not quite so little. So have a look. We got the tram as well. Apparently there's a big shopping centre in front. Oh, that one there. 中央大道. So basically means center midway. So it looks like quite a new shopping centre. Looks quite posh. Let's go check it out. Yeah. By the way, the meal was absolutely amazing. Loved the meal. So good. Right, let's go and see the shopping centre and see what we can dig up. There is a 广场舞, so basically public square dancing, which has always been very, very popular. So let's go have a look. So basically all the retired people after dinner to entertain themselves, they came out after dinner and just danced publicly in groups. People were just hilarious. Music is cool. Right, let me show you. I love the music. Absolutely love the music. Wow, this place is absolutely buzzing. We've got another group dancing as well. Oh wow, check out the decoration here. Chinese lanterns. Wow. It's a night market, underground, I presume. So as I said, another group dancing. Right, let's check out the shopping center. Another group. So Amber has been looking for this for a long time. It's called tang hulo. Basically what they are is they're fruits covered in sugar coatings. When I was young, there was only one flavor, and that's cranberry. Nowadays got different varieties. So Amber's been looking for it for a long time. Now she's happy, finally got it. So it's 10 yuan for 5. So 5 for about a pound. Not bad. Once again, everything is paid by WeChat. So you scan the barcode, as my wife is doing, and just pay via the phone. Oh, now she finally got it. She finally got it. She's going to do a taste test. So what flavor are you getting? Cranberry. How's it? Right, let's go check out the night market. So we come to this shopping mall. Amber insists on coming to the shopping mall after dinner. Is that nice? What are you having? Show me. Unicorn.
Half a unicorn.
Half a unicorn. What are they selling?
Pastries.
Oh, those look cool. Right. Let's see how this goes. Wow, that's a very high escalator. I wonder where it leads to. This place is just go on and on and on. That's cool. Coconut, they're selling coconuts.
Ooh.
Wow, this place is massive. Not the best though, not the best, because there are some really amazing malls, which I'm sure you have already seen from Shenzhen, but this will do for now, I guess. Wow. Okay, that shopping mall wasn't all that, so we decided to leave early and just go back to the hotel. But yeah, this is a typical night scene in China. Most Chinese cities gets... Sorry, I was just watching my steps. As I was saying, most Chinese city really comes alive after the evening, after the supper time. Everyone, instead of going stay at home watching Netflix, they decided to come out and dance and shop and socialize and just go to restaurants, get drunk. So yeah. Absolutely amazing night scenes. I mean, Dalian is okay, but if you go to like places like Shanghai, along the Bund, the night scene is unbelievably fantastic. Or in Shenzhen actually, because you can get the light show on Friday and Saturday night. Have you ever seen a Huawei store this big? This is huge. Ah, another shopping mall. That's a big supermarket and statue of fish. Nice. By the way, I forgot to mention why there's a fish statue, or why fish is so popular here, because Dalian's very famous for its seafood, and that's why you can see the fish statue isn't isn't really all over the place as you would first thought. Right, let's cross this bloody street. Oh, let's go. Come on, let's go. Jaywalking, jaywalking.
Ooh, LED lights.
Yeah, LED lights. That's cool. That's pretty cool lights.
Oh, look there.
That's a hotel entrance, I think.
Oh, wow. Lots of yellow here.
So yeah guys, Dalian temperature in late March is very pleasant. We're looking at a high of 17 degrees. In the evening normally it gets quite cold, but today not so much. I think it's around about 11 degrees now. So very comfy. I'm wearing a thick jacket and I do feel a little bit hot. Got a Starbucks. By the way guys, Starbucks are everywhere in China.
And Lawson's.
I don't know what the attraction is, because I never really liked Starbucks, to be honest. I'm more like a Cafenero kind of guy. But yeah, just everywhere you look, just lights everywhere. Lots and lots of light. I mean, we're talking about Dalian here, we're not even talking about Shanghai, which is ultra crazy. But yeah, as you can see, it gets busy in the evening. After the supper, everyone gets out and just enjoy nice little stroll around the neighborhood. Yeah. Guys, I think that's it for today. It's been a long day. We're going home now. I'll just show you the little tram. Okay guys, wherever you are in the world, stay safe, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next episode.